The Andrew Wells Past High Sheriff's Award for Most Improved Craft Student goes to Jack Davis. And now the awards for building services. The Halcyon Award for Building Services Apprentice of the Year goes to Carl Johnson. The Coombs Award for Most Improved Student, Robert Marsh. Next, the awards for Engineering, Fabrication and Welding. The Canterbury College Award for Engineering Student of the Year, Sean Hedge. The Welding and Joinery Society Award for Welding and Fabrication Apprentice of the Year goes to Mason Young. On to the award in Motor Vehicle and Transportation.